Good evening friends. Welcome to Investments and Trading channel. Now we are going to discuss on Nifty prediction and analysis for tomorrow's trading session. Initially we will start with Nifty yesterday's prediction. In our prediction yesterday I mentioned clearly above 15,550 level we can see the market in bullish and we can take a CE call. That is the yesterday analysis. But if you see the market how it behaved today, the market opened with a huge gap up. So it opened again at 15,550 above level only. And from there if you see the market is in continuously at sideways. So we didn't gain any profit and the market didn't provide anything, and whoever traded as per stocks they have earned today. Now coming to the tomorrow's prediction. So if you see the tomorrow's prediction, initially we will talk about where the market is closed. The market has closed at 15,690 level. So this is the level where market has been closed. So if the market opening in a gap down case, so for example if there is a market which was opened in between the levels 15,690 to 15,640 levels, so we should wait whether the market is coming down or the market is taking a reversal. So the main pivot level was the red color dotted line 15,610. So if the market sustains around 15,600 to 610 levels, then we can see the reversal, and the reversal is from 15,610 to 15,700, 15,720 above. But to be a safe trader, I suggest you to take a call above 15,720. If the market goes above 15,720, one can enter into CE call. One can enter into the CE call above 15,720. And if you see the targets, the target is 50 points, 15,770. 15,770 we have resistance. So whoever is planning for a trade, they should trade at 15,700 to 720, and the target was 15,770. So that is the case if the market is going up. In the another case, if the market didn't sustain the level of 15,610, so in the gap down case the market didn't sustain the level of 15,610, then easily we can get a fall up to 70 to 100 points in the Nifty. The next support level of Nifty was 15,647, 467. So there is a fall of 100 points from 610 to 470. Around 100 points you will get it easily. So in the other case we will go if market opens at gap up opening or flat opening. If the market opens at gap up or flat opening, and if there is a up move, you should wait till the market sustains above 15,720 only. If the market sustains above 15,720, again you can take a CE call. So the resistance will be at 15,770. And if market sustains above 15,770, then you can take a call and you will have the targets of 820, 850, 875 also. So in total today, as per our Nifty analysis, we can take CE call at 15,700 to 720 above, and if market didn't sustains at 15,610 level, we can take PE call at 15,600, and we can have a points up to 100, which will give very good return in the index. That's it from the Nifty analysis for tomorrow's session. Finally, coming to the disclaimer, when you are planning for a trade as per my suggestions, kindly consult your advisor to confirm the trade, and please like and subscribe my channel for making more videos. Thank you.